Hi friend, Satish Tiwari here again from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. So if you guys are new to this Linux operating system, today I am going to show you about the file and folder management. It means how to create folder, how to delete folder, how to go inside folder, how to come out of a folder. Okay, let's see. So if you want, first of all, if you want to know your path, you can just use the command pwd. So it's showing that right now I am inside /root directory. Now inside /root directory, if you want to check the number of files and folders, you can just use ls-l or just ll. So there is no file and folder. Now I want to create some folder. How to create folder? mkdir, make directory, and the folder name suppose Satish. So I have created a folder named Satish. How will I know that this is folder, not a file? First clear the screen. Run ls-l. Now when you run ls-l, you see the first character. You can see the first character. This one is D. So the first character is D. It means this is not a file, but this is a directory. You can see this one. First character is D. Let me zoom it more for you so that it become very easy for you. So D means directory. It means Satish is not a file, but it is a directory. Okay. Now if you want to go inside the directory, you can go using cd command. Cd and the name of the directory. This will take you to Satish directory. How will you know? How will you verify that you are inside the Satish directory? Just type pwd, present working directory, and here it is. It will show you in right now you are inside the Satish directory, and the Satish directory is inside root directory. So this is the complete path. /root/Satish. This means Satish is a directory which is inside root directory, and you are inside Satish directory right now. Now if you want to create another directory inside Satish directory, you can create. So mkdir, suppose Tiwari. I want to create another directory Tiwari. So I will create another directory Tiwari, and you want to check, you can just type ll and you verify that D means this is also directory. So Tiwari is also directory. If you want to go inside this directory, cd and the name of the directory, and you can cross check using pwd. So when I run pwd, now you can check /root/Satish/Tiwari. It means right now I am inside the Tiwari directory, which is inside the Satish directory, and which is Satish is also inside root directory. So this is the complete path. If you want to come out of this folder, there are two methods to come out of the folder. One is cd ... to come one step. So suppose cd space ... Now from Tiwari we come to Satish. Again cd ... we will move to root. Okay, so we out of the Satish directory and we are inside the root directory. Similarly, if you want to go directly to Tiwari folder, you just type cd Satish/Tiwari. You have to give the full path name. And now you can see you are inside the /root/Satish/Tiwari folder. Now if you want to just come out of directly, you just simply use cd command, and it will bring you to the root directory. Okay, so in this way you can create directory, you can go inside the directory, and if you want to delete the directory, any directory, you can see Satish directory, you just use rm-rf and the name of the directory. Okay, so rm means remove, -r means recursive. Recursive means anything inside the Satish directory will be deleted. F means forcefully. Forcefully means don't ask me, just delete it. Press enter and done. Now you type ll, you can see the Satish directory has been deleted. So this is the way you can create directories. You can go inside directory, you can come out of the directory, and you can delete the directory. You can identify the directory and path. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.